Canadians visiting the United States for more than 30 days will now be required to register with authorities and undergo fingerprinting as part of new border enforcement measures. The policy, effective April 11, enforces an existing but previously inconsistent rule requiring foreign nationals 14 years and older to register if staying beyond 30 days. The directive follows an executive order signed by Donald Trump on his first day back in office, warning of criminals and civil penalties for non-compliance. This move comes amid growing tensions between US and Canada. The new registration rule is expected to impact up to 3.2 million people, particularly the 900,000 snowbirds who spend winters in southern US states. According to immigration attorney Rosanna Berardi, the rule applies mainly to business professionals and long-term visitors, but casual travelers for tourism and shopping will not be affected. As tensions rise, the debate over cross-border policies continues.